Well, hello everyone and welcome to this event where we will cover the X2 series HMIs. My name is Charlotte Grane. I'm the product manager for operator communication at Beijer Electronics. And with me I have Harald as well.
Yeah, my name is Harald Schröppel and I'm the product owner hardware responsible for all hardware in Beijer Electronics HMI.
So today we're going to cover the X2 series HMIs from Beijer Electronics. The agenda is why you should choose an X2 series HMI and how you can use our iX HMI software to modernize your operator interface. And then in the end, we'll also have a technical overview of our X2 panels for you to understand all the power we have in our hardware and which panel will be the best fit for your application. So starting up with why to choose the X2 series. The X2 series is our latest generation of HMIs from Beijer Electronics. They consist of 6 product families based on great design and all the performance you need to build your applications. And those can be used together with our iX HMI software to create a really smart integrated solution. They're built on more than 30 years of experience. And they also have power efficient processors within that will then give you all the performance you need for your application. They have a slim, modern design, and they also have a robust die-cast aluminum body, which will give you great resistance to mechanical stress, and also all the hardware quality that you would need. And with this design, we also can offer you 2 years of warranty on the products. X2 is prepared for any environment, and we have wide temperature range, which they can operate in, and also strong ingress protection in the series. And we can also offer many certifications, so they have all the certifications that you need for your application. There are also several variants that offer integrated code assist control, so you can have integrated PLC functionality in your device. And all the panels use iX HMI software, which means that you can use the same software throughout the portfolio. And you have also easy to use basic functionalities up to advanced functionalities in the software. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on. Also, if you have a legacy panels from us, we also have a conversion tool that will make it easy for you to convert to our new X2 series from your legacy panels. These are the series we have in the X2 family. We have the X2 base, which is our cost efficient, but also it's advanced functionality in our HMIs. You can use it for small to medium applications, and we have it in 5, 7, and 10-inch size. Our X2 Pro is our most wide range of HMIs. It runs from 4 up to 21 inches, and it's designed for demanding applications, and it has many connectivity options and many certifications for different industrial applications. X2 Marine is, like the name, built for life at sea. It comes in 7 and 15 inches. It has black frame and marine dimming functionalities, and also an optional code assist PLC functionality in this device. X2 Control has an industrial HMI with included PLC functionality, which gives you a very compact and efficient solution for your applications. They're available in many sizes as well. They're available in 4, 7, 10, 12, and 15 inches. Our X2 Extreme is our most rugged HMI you can use in tough environments and also in hazardous areas or with extended environmental capabilities with a wide range of temperatures that you can use it in. It also comes with the code assist PLC functionality and a high performance version as well, which I will talk about a little more later on. Finally, we have our X2 Web family. And X2 Web is built on X2 Pro and X2 Extreme family, which you can use then for HTML5 applications. So moving forward, talking a little bit more about our HMI software, IX. IX come with basic and advanced functionalities. So from start, you have functionalities like data logging, recipes, alarms, trends, audit trails, but you can also use advanced functionalities like C# scripting, .NET components, or third-party objects, so you can customize your application. It also can use ready-made objects with built-in functionalities, vector-based graphics, so you can create your nice-looking applications and a very intuitive user interface for the user. And we also have received very positive response of how easy it is. So it's an easy startup. You can use it's very intuitive to use the software, and we have also put a lot of focus to have an efficient workflow in the software, so you can create your application in an efficient way and a time efficient way. Also connect to many different drivers. Some of them you see below. So we have more than 100 communication protocol integrated in the software. So you can use it with almost any device from all the major manufacturers of devices. This is one example of how you could create a nice looking interface with IX. So this user interface is highly customizable, and in this way you can use it to create a clean and intuitive interface, and in this case with customized objects as well. And if you have already a panel from us, from the X3000 series, and want to convert it to an X2 series, we have many tools for you to make it very easy and intuitive to make the transition. We have a lot of documentation on our website and a lot of recommendations of which would be your replacement panel, for example. We have adapter plate if the cutout size is smaller on the new panel, you can use it for mounting on your existing device. Also, there is recommendation of which cabling to use. So everything you need can be found on our website to make a smooth hardware transition. And also the software conversion have been much improved just recently, actually. So we have designed IX Developer to minimize your need to convert to a project in IX from your existing project. So you don't need to rebuild your project from start and take a lot of time for functionalities that takes a lot of time to create. With our conversion tool, you can do it easily and in a smooth transition. Also, you have full control of your project. When it's built up from your previous project up into IX, you know exactly what has been changed in the conversion, and you have full control also to bring out the new functionalities that you can use in IX to even power up your application further. And the conversion tool is continuously improved. So just recently we had a new launch of IX with a lot of improvements for the conversion, and as we go along, we receive input from customers with improvements to make even further. So we will continue to work on the software as we move forward as well. So that was the software part. Let's move over to the hardware part of the X2 panels. X2 Base, that is our most cost-effective HMI, yet with still full functionality, and you can run the full IX suite on it. It's designed for small to medium-sized applications, and the panel consists of IP65 corrosion-resistant plastic housing, and it's available in 5, 7, and 10-inch size. And also it has a high-resolution display and a modern design of the hardware. Our X2 Pro is our widest range of HMIs. It has a powerful ARM Cortex A9 processor, and it can run in temperature range from -10 to +60 degrees. So we manage most industrial applications and installations. It also has a wide range of the global marine certificates, and also 6CAN, Profibus, and MPI module direct options. It's available in 4, 7, 10, 12, 15, and 21 inches. So it has many different options in this range. Next one is X2 Marine. So as I mentioned, you can use it in many marine applications. It has black frame, optional high brightness display, and marine dimmable backlight. And it has many marine certificates. And it's suitable for mounting on the bridge, in the engine room, and inside cabins. And you can also have optional PLC functionality with codices, and also built-in digital outputs. And you have the size in 7 and 15 inch. Control is our codices dedicated range. So it has integrated codices control, so it's a very compact solution with integrated PLC. So it allows a faster system design. You eliminate many components and cabling that you might need if you have several devices. And also you can centralize your operation, and having also remote access and administration of the devices. And also comes in many different sizes. It comes in 4, 7, 10, 12, and 15 inches. Our X2 Extreme is our most rugged HMI. It is certified by most major classification societies. You can use it in rugged marine environments, hazardous areas where gases, vapor, or dust are present. It's also certified in ATEX Zone 2, IECEX Zone 2, UL Class 1 Div 2. So you can use it in many different high demanding applications with wide operating temperatures, high vibrations, or washdowns. It also comes with an optional high brightness display and optional PLC functionalities. And there is also actually a sealed variant of the X2 Extreme. So with the sealed X2 Extreme, you don't need to have a separate cabinet. So it's very cost savings and very space efficient as well. It has M12 connectors. It has the same environmental, hazardous, and marine specification as we have on our standard devices. And also comes with an optional integrated codices control that you can use with the device. So X2 Extreme is, as I mentioned, designed for these tough environments. You can use it from -30 degrees up to +70 degrees. It has IP66 housing and the NEMA 4X12 and UL type 4X12. It also has high brightness display, which is an option, and so it means that it's very easy to read the panel even in high sunlight. Also, high vibration environments can be used, so that you can use it in engine rooms, for example, and other applications where there are high vibrations included. And we have our web panels, X2 Pro Web and X2 Extreme Web. So they have built-in HTML5 functionality inside the devices. So they're perfect for if you need to have a web panel in an industrial environment. So you can use the same web content across any device that you would like to need. You can complement it with a remote device, with a tablet, or any kind of web devices that you want to visualize your system on. And so it's a Chromium kiosk mode with a single browser to visualize your application. X2 Pro Web is our industrial HMI for web applications, which is built on our X2 Pro range. And then our X2 Extreme range is if you want to have a web content in an extreme environment, which also then carries all the certifications as we have on our standard panels. Another option is to use branding on our panels. So to use a hardware branding, you can strengthen your visual identity on the panels. And we offer the branding throughout the portfolio. You can have a multicolor print on a black foil, or you can have also a multicolor foil as well with a multicolor branding print. And you can find more information on our website if you want to know more about our branding opportunities. So that is our X2 portfolio, and here is an overview of the capabilities that they offer. So we have X2 base is then on the lower range, and X2 extreme on the higher range when it comes to temperature ratings. And also for ingress protection, we have IP66, for example, on X2 extreme, and IP65 on the other ones. And also on the certificates, we have the basic industrial certificates on X2 base, and then we have marine certificates on the rest of the portfolio, as well as some hazardous and hazardous certificates for X2 extreme. And all our products are IIoT ready from start. It means that you can use our cloud platform A0 Plus when you on any of our devices except for the current X2 base. X2 A0 Plus is a very secure platform. It uses bank level security, SSL TLS encryption. It uses identified devices only. So it means that each device has an industrial standard certificate tied to the serial number. It means that it's traceable. It has a unique identity to identify just your registered devices in the cloud. Also, there is no unauthorized access to the devices. All the communication is outbound, so no devices are visible in the cloud. And we run A0 Plus on Microsoft Azure, which means that it's a very safe hosting. It has high secure administration of organizations, users, device groups through A0 Plus. That was our offering. And now I want to present to you a couple of customer cases who utilize our HMIs. First off is Anglo-Belgian Corporation. They use X2 Marine in their high-end offer to their customers. So they use a central HMI to connect to many different devices. And they want to have a high-end HMI which can connect to many different brands so they can customize their offer. And that's why they choose the X2 platform. They had a big need of the full range of our communication protocol. Another example is dust control. They manufacture industrial dust extraction machines. And they have launched the Smart Panel. So they wanted to have a compact solution that is highly customizable for their end customers. So they wanted to have almost a plug-and-play solution. And one of the big points that they pointed out to us was the support that they received from us throughout the entire project. So we were there from start and also in the development phase, so to give them support and to be able for them to create the best solution possible. You can read more of these customer cases on our website as well. So coming to the summary, the X2 series, it's a complete HMI portfolio that matches most needs that you have in the market, from X2 base up to X2 extreme. They are built on robust design based on more than 30 years experience in the field. And most of them are fully certified for any type of environment that you might need. And you can use IX software to create basic projects up to advanced projects with advanced functionalities, and you can use C# scripting, for example, to customize your project as you wish. And also they are IIoT ready from start, so you can use our A0 Plus platform. And if you want support, we are here to support you in your projects. You can always give us a call, go into our website, or send us an email. And that was the end of the presentation. So I thank you everyone for being participants to this event, and good luck with your projects going forward, and hope to see you later.